On the evening of September 30, 2025, the island of Cebu in the Philippines was shaken by a powerful magnitude 6.9 earthquake. According to PHIVOLCS, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, the epicenter was located off the northern coast near Bogo City. The United States Geological Survey confirmed the quake was shallow, only about 5 to 10 kilometers deep. This shallow depth is why the shaking felt so strong on the surface. What caused it? PHIVOLCS reports that the earthquake came from a sudden slip along a strike-slip fault, where two huge blocks of rock slide sideways against each other. This fault was previously quiet for centuries, but on that night, it released its stored energy in one violent motion. Because the Philippines lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where the Philippine Sea Plate collides and grinds with the Eurasian Plate, quakes like this are part of the natural rhythm of the land. The same system of moving plates causes earthquakes not just in the Philippines, but across Japan, Indonesia, and much of the Pacific. And then came the aftershocks, more than 100 recorded by PHIVOLCS in the days following. Scientists explain that aftershocks are the Earth's way of adjusting after the main quake. Most are smaller, but they can still harm already weakened structures. So, what should we do when the ground begins to move? Experts remind us of 3 simple words: drop, cover, and hold on. If you are indoors, take shelter under sturdy furniture, away from windows and falling objects. If you are outside, move to open space, away from tall buildings, posts, or wires. If you are near the sea and feel strong shaking, go quickly to higher ground, because earthquakes can sometimes trigger tsunamis. For those who live in high-rise buildings, PHIVOLCS guidance is clear. Stay calm and do not use elevators. While the shaking is strong, protect yourself where you are. Once it stops, carefully use the stairs to exit, following your building's safety plan. Preparation, scientists say, saves lives. Keep an emergency bag ready, with water, food, medicine, flashlight, and important papers. Make a family plan. Identify safe spots at home and at work. These simple steps bring peace in the middle of uncertainty. And here are the timeless do's and don'ts, affirmed by safety experts. Do stay calm. Do check on children, the elderly, and neighbors. Do follow official warnings and advisories. Don't run to elevators. Don't light matches if you suspect a gas leak. Don't spread fear or rumors. Spread truth and reassurance. The earth may tremble, but it always steadies again, and so do we. As an old proverb reminds us, the bamboo that bends in the storm is stronger than the oak that resists it. Flexibility, preparedness, and unity are what carry us through life's earthquakes, both in the ground and in the soul. And to the people of the Philippines, know this: you are not alone. The world holds you in care, and your courage shines even in the darkest moments. If this message has given you clarity and calm, share it with your loved ones. And for more wisdom that nourishes both body and spirit, follow and subscribe to Healthy Eats and Wisdom on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Stay safe, stay strong, stay hopeful.